The next topic we need to understand is how we can write the loops. If I want to write some loop, how I can write it? How I can write some kind of loop we need to understand. So if you see this one, I have here while loop is available. The while loop is like a repeated if statements. The code is executed over and over again as long as the condition is true. The moment the condition is true, then automatically it will be executing it. Scenario is up to given number, print even numbers we are asking it. Up to given number, whatever user is going to provide it, up to that number we have to pass here, even numbers we have to pass it. So whatever number is given, first we are trying to accepting here with the n. Then we are trying to make sure the even is initiated from the 0. Then we are trying to print from the 2 onwards. Then up to the given number we are printing it. Let us try to do this activity so that we'll get more clarity. Okay. Now we are going for the loop called as while loop. In fact, we have loops are only two types of loops are available in the Python. Mainly we are using one is called as while loop and second is called as for loop. Only two loops are available. In that one we are concentrating about while loop. We are concentrating now. While loop we are concentrating now. The syntax of the while loop looks like something like this. So if I want to write the syntax, very simple syntax, we have to write here while and what is the expression or condition we are going to write here. Expression or condition we are going to write here. So I can write as people have been seeing the condition. So write here condition. Then here again we have the body part. What need to be done? We are going to write it. So body part may have n number of statements. What one n number of print statements or n number of things basically. So this is how the syntax how it will be looking for you. Okay, we have to write here while, then we have to write here condition, then we have to write here body part. So now I want to accept a input from the user. Already I have this line. Let me copy this line. I'm trying to copy this line. Next, I need to accept a input from the user. Okay, in runtime, user is going to provide one input. I need to initiate some number I'm initiating. For example, even is equal to suppose 0, I'm initiating it. Then I'm trying to say as while the even is less than n. Now at this point of time, for example, n is equal to they given, assume like that 10 they given. What is my condition? 0 less than 10. 0 less than 10 means condition is true, right? If condition is true, it will enter into the body part and is going to print, okay? It is going to print whatever value is available, even value, the even value, it is going to print it. Now, once it is printed the even, then I want to increment this one by 2, I want to increment it. So I am trying to do as even is equal to even plus 2, I am doing it. Then once increment is completed, then once last line of the body it is came, once last line of the while body part it is came, it will go back to the while statement again. As going back to the while statement, what is the now value of the even? 2. 2 less than 10. That means that also true. Again, it is going to print the 2. Again, 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 less than 10. Like that, 6 less than 10. 8 less than 10. 10 less than 10, whenever it is came, it will come out of the loop. So if I try to execute this one, it is asking here one number, it is asking, let us provide here number is equal to 10, I am asking for example. Then enter, now you can see 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, we got it. Suppose again I am executing this one, let us say I provide here 20 I provided. Then we can observe 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, like that we are getting up to 20 we are getting it. Suppose 0 you don't want to print it. Can you slightly change the program in order to not to print the 0 and I want to print the 20? Okay, all you have to do is we have to go here, this print statement, whatever available, write this print statement. After this one, you write it. Okay, and also I want the whatever you given that I want it. So here, right here, equal to, less than or equal to, then it is true. If not, we are going for the next things. So if I pass here 20, now you can notice I am seeing the 0 is not printing, and also we are getting 20 and 22, we are trying to get it. Okay, 22 also we got it, right? That is wrong then, right? So this one we have to tweak here. This one I am trying to put out here. Then I am passing here 20, then we are able to see, oh, then change this one, initial value is equal to what? 2, you try to change it, then try to execute this one, 20 I want it. Now we are able to see 2 to 20, this is what we are getting it. Just we have to see the output, and accordingly we have to change the code above. We will be able to understand what is happening. Is it clear? Now, if it is clear, then I want to go for next one more activity. We'll try to see in the next session and the same while loop one more activity.